friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see VLOOKUP, how to do VLOOKUP. Okay, first of all, so now already I have done some details that I have deleted, so I will show you how to do that again. Okay, now price list we have to take from that near price master list table. For that only we are making the VLOOKUP formula. So lookup value is apple, means a D column. So value what we have to see from the main master list, that is calling uh, lookup value. Then table array. What is a table array? Table array is master list is the table array. So one error in this table, I'll tell you again, not available is coming now. Okay, because of that merged cell in this table array is the problem. Actually we should not have any merged cells in formula using Excel. Formula using Excel or sort filters like that. We should not have any merged cells, then that will give you some problems. So formulas will not work, so like that problems will come. So once again I will tell you how to get a VLOOKUP. So once again we will put a VLOOKUP and open the brackets, and lookup value is the apple. Okay, and then we have to put comma and table array. Table array is the price master list. So apple to second column is price, so second column is price. So comma we have to put the comma, and then 2 we have to write. Because of that from that items in second row column only the price is available, that's why we are putting second 2 in the column index. So column index is 2, and we can put 0, no problem, it will not give any changes in our VLOOKUP. So we can once again I'll show you. Apple is the lookup value like criteria. So lookup table is KL column. So which column we want to we look up, that is second. So orange and orange value in the table is 80, so it is coming as 80. So we can drag up to bottom. So okay, in second is if we look up with if condition to make we look up. So we have to start with the if we look up as we done in near column. Okay, if E4 greater than 0 means KG column should not have 0, more than 0 only, then only it will VLOOKUP, do the VLOOKUP. So earlier we have done that same way we are doing in this cell also, like that we are doing. So VLOOKUP, then reference is second column, so we are putting 2 and 0, we are closing it. Okay, 180 came. Okay, again orange column, orange how much value in that price master 80. Okay, all is okay. Then if we empty that, it will come as false, means if greater than 0 only it will VLOOKUP, unless it will not VLOOKUP. So false, if it is false, we can put comma and double editor comma. Okay, editor comma, we have to start and close that, then only it will come as empty. If kg cell is empty, it will also giving as empty. It will not do any VLOOKUP. If that kg cell is empty, that price VLOOKUP also will be empty. So that is the function I am doing. Okay, now we will see that total. What is the total? Actually, we can, if you are well understanding the functions in Excel, if you are understanding all functions, you can put any functions in any cells. Now we will put if function, means if kg matlab means kg equal to empty, comma, if that cell is empty, so this cell also will be empty. So that cell is not empty, then only that kg and multiply with the price cell. That is the formula. Okay, enter, and we can drag down up to bottom. Once again I am showing here. Okay, what is this? This is color given because I am going to tell you one thing, and any gap should not have for VLOOKUP. If you have monster having that space with fine and gap apple, we also put the gap, unless it will not give the VLOOKUP value. For that only I is showing this one. Okay, I understand. I hope you understand this what I have told you. Thank you friends, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share to your friends who are willing to learn the Excel.